Hey everybody, my name is Amanda Bordoy. I would like to share some of my tips and tricks for when I travel independently in hotels. I use 2 above-knee prosthetics with microprocessor knees. All that technology requires power, and so you have to charge them. So when I travel, I had to learn. I'm just going to do one to show you right now. Bring the legs over to a higher surface. I always travel with an extension cord with multiple outlets. The charging port is back here, and that's it. Sometimes there are couches available, as you saw with plugging in the legs, but other times you have to think out of the box. How can I get my prosthetics to where my needs would allow it to charge it? So I came up with all hotel rooms have these drawers, and essentially what I need is to get a leg visible, the charging port. And you position it to where you want it to go. It doesn't behave. There it goes. And then you bring your charger. Ta-da!